guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new here, and welcome back to another video. So as you can see from the title below, today's upload is a little different than what I normally do here on my channel, but honestly guys, I felt like it was very necessary for me. For me, makeup is so therapeutic. It's something that I really enjoy to de-stress and relax, as well as my skincare routine. So I kind of felt like this was the best way for me to segue back into uploading. For those of you guys who don't follow me on Instagram, you would know why I haven't uploaded in the past couple weeks, just simply because we had a death in the family. So I just really needed to take some time, spend it with my family, you know, focus on real life instead of social media. And then also I had a really bad allergic reaction. Honestly, the last 2 weeks I was in shambles, but I had a really bad allergic reaction all over my face. So I had to take some time, let my skin breathe, do a whole lot of oatmeal masks. It was just a mess. Okay, so I had to give myself that breathing space, mental space, and come back to you guys when I was really feeling it again. And now I feel like I can truly just push through and give you guys some great content again. So I hope you guys understand why I've been a little MIA on that end. So as you can tell, today's video is just a makeup therapy, just me getting ready with you guys. It's not really a tutorial, but I'm gonna be showing you guys all the products that I use so that you're not completely lost. But of course, everything will be linked in the description box below as usual, so don't worry guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want me to do like more makeup therapies here and there, let me know in the comment section below. And also let me know if you guys would like makeup therapy videos where I actually do a full voiceover all throughout the video. But today I just wanted to set some really relaxing vibes. So yeah, let me know. All feedback is welcome in the comments. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, let's get to this look. enjoyed this look as much as I did filming it. I love colorful looks, but I kind of feel like it's a little understated, so it's not too much. But colorful eyeshadow just screams happiness to me. At least it makes me really happy, so I felt like it was perfect for this therapeutic vibe that we got going on today. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe and join the family. It would mean so much to me. And also make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, because your girl is going to be coming back consistent, I promise. Okay, so you're not going to want to miss out. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end. And yeah, like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.